Right, Zach, what are we doing?
So we're just about to extract venom from a coastal tiger, third most toxic snake on the planet, and this particular animal is our naughtiest one we have. He's whitey. So what I'm going to do, use my finger as the target, so he wants to bite the knee, not the jar, and ready to do the old switcheroo, get your finger out the road, there we go. Now, by doing this, we're able to save between 300 and 500 lives every year, and this doesn't hurt the snake in any way, shape or form. The plastic on top is stretched to about the same tension or tightness as human skin, so he literally just thinks he's bitten onto me.
So he doesn't, you're not squishing his head there?
No. So we just give his venom glands a gentle massage. Now, not enough pressure to hurt him, but just enough to stimulate the venom glands to give that little bit more venom. And as you can see, he's given an absolute ton, and he's pretty keen on the chewing, because he still reckons he's bitten me.
And that's going to go towards saving people's lives.
So this will be turned into anti-venom, and this will save lives. But anyway, got to get going. Catch you later, guys, and see you next time.
So today we're at Summersby Animal Hospital because we're taking our big Galapagos tortoise Hugo down to get on the scales for his annual weighing, and we can see up on there he's 178 kilos, which would be, what's that in pounds? Does anyone know off the top of their head? He's massive, so he's growing really, really well. He's an amazing, healthy animal. We're very lucky to have him at the Australian Reptile Park. Make sure you come visit soon. That's the power of the saltwater truck. Come on. Make him walk out a little bit further into the light. Come on now. You can have it now. Come on. Oh. Hear that? That's 3,500 pounds per square inch closing jaw pressure coming together. You can imagine if that were your leg inside there, you would have very, very little chance. There you go. Of coming back out. Got that little wing there, he's going to head back into the water. And you'll notice when he swallows, he lifts the head up and out of the water. He's going to munch it a few times. And there he swallows it.
G'day mate, welcome to the Australian Reptile Park. I'm Brandon, this is Hugo, the giant Galapagos land tortoise, and I'm going to tell you everything I know about giant tortoises. Are you ready? Let's go. Giant Galapagos land tortoise, the Galapagos Island's actually named after the tortoise, not the other way around. These guys get big, 300 kilos big. He's actually 176 at the moment, so not as big. Now he's actually a mature male, and he's going to find a female one day. When he finds a female, he's actually going to climb up onto her back, which is why his plastron, the shell underneath, actually goes up, and the carapace on top actually goes down, big dome. Now when they actually do lay their eggs, they lay 5 to 20 eggs into little patches all over the ground, not all their eggs in one basket like turtles. Big difference between them is they spend all their time on the land, turtles in the water all the time. He actually excretes salt straight through the eyes and drinks up his nostrils. One of the most confused blokes in the world. Time's up, mate. We've got to end it right there for Hugo. That was a fast-paced 1.5 kilometre hour, 30 seconds with Hugo. And, mate, we're going to go find something else that's just as exciting. We'll see you next time on 30 seconds.
Hey guys, Jake from the Australian Reptile Park here. We've just had something pretty exciting happen. We've just caught the birth of these tiny little eastern blue-tongued skinks. One of our females in our reptile pit has given birth to these two, but female blue-tongues could have anywhere up to 30 plus young. So these are the first two, but we're expecting a lot more to come now that the female's been brought inside. These two are very, very tiny, and like a lot of Australian skinks, blue tongues give birth to live young. So straight out of mum, these two are fully independent, ready to go. This one's probably going to try and bite me in just a second. But in the wild, this would be good to go. Mum doesn't provide any care to the juveniles.
Love the day. Yeah, right, ready? I can see Zachy's thinking, what's going on here? Come on. He's going to try and draw him back, I'd imagine. Come on. He's come out on a really strange angle there. He's trying to push Zach against the wall. They're just so intelligent. Now Zach's a big guy, but it always makes Zach look tiny. Come on. Look at that head. Wow! Oh, and a nice big burp at the end there. And I can't imagine you get a camera much closer than that. Wow. Reptile Park, and today we're going to do what I do every day, and we're going to extract venom from one of our venomous snakes. This here is the coastal taipan. He's the third most toxic snake anywhere on the planet. So what I'm going to do here is pin him and get a nice safe hold. Bear with me one moment. So that doesn't hurt the snake in any way, shape or form. You can see he's pretty keen on the biting, so what Beck's going to do is hand me a vial, and what we need to do now is ready, steady, there we go. Now this venom here will go to saving lives due to our Australian anti-venom program. And we're very proud of that here at the Reptile Park, as we've been the sole supplier of terrestrial snake venom for an extremely long time now. Now, thanks for watching guys, and catch you later. I'm gonna put him back and wish me the best.